I tell you, you're going to sit up straight, your eyes will open, and I'm going to give you a pet bird. We all love birds tonight. You will love your bird. You will name your bird. You will think your bird is the most awesome bird in the world. So when I clap my hands, you will sit up in your chair, eyes open, not affecting the state you're in any way, and put your finger out to get your pet bird. Ready? Here's your bird. 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 Sitting up straight. You can pet your bird. Your bird's so cute. Name your bird. What's your bird's name? Is it colorful? Cool. What kind of bird do you have?
I hate birds.
Okay, so we'll just kind of stick the bird way out there for now, don't worry. What kind of bird do you have?
Chickers. Lovebird.
Oh, lovebird, nice. What kind of bird do you have?
A parrot. What's your parrot's name?
Zeke.
Zeke. Claire. Claire, what kind of bird? A dog.
Does he dance? Cool. And you? Bianca. Bianca. What's Bianca? What kind of bird is Bianca? A blue jay. Neat. And how about you? Sweetie. Sweetie. What kind of bird is Sweetie? A little bird? Cool. Uh-oh. The bird is stuck on your finger. The harder you try to get him off, the more stuck he becomes. He's flying away. Watch him fly. Say bye-bye, bird. Bye-bye, bird. Nice bird. Nice bird. Okay, when you feel a touch on your head again, you'll relax.